Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech. You can see Boditech Ichroma IL-6 test kit. This is the reference part number is here, CFPC-116. The lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date is given. This is CIVD certified product, and you can see this is 25 test kit pack, and you can see it can be stored in the room temperature. So this is how the box looks like. Okay, can just go through this. Ichroma IL-6 intended use. Ichroma IL-6 is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative detection of IL-6 in human whole blood, serum and plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of inflammatory diseases. You can see this here. Box contains in this box you get 25 cartridges, 25 30 ml capillary tubes and 25 detector tubes, one detector diluent and one ID chip, one instruction for use manual. Just go around the box for you. So the box, you can see it's from Boditech Incorporation, Korea. Okay, this is the box. Okay, I'll open this box for you. Here you go. Inside the box you can see one IFE brochure. You can see this says okay, you can see the IFE brochure. Ichroma IL-6. So this brochure has the complete information. From the principal, procedure, sample preparation, warning, limitations, test setup, and you can see this test setup and test procedure and how to interpret your test results and quality control part. So every information is available for you to complete this test. So you got the instruction for use. Then there is one pack of 25 pieces of Ichroma IL-6 detector tube. You can see the lot number is mentioned here and also the expiry date. This is it. This is how it is. And then we go inside. You can see there is a 35 ml capillary tube, 25 pieces in the pack. Yeah, here it is. This is how it looks like. You can see this here. Capillary tube. So put it here. And then there is one detector diluent. You can see the detector Ichroma IL-6 detector diluent. This can be stored in the room temperature. And then you got one ID chip here with the lot number mentioned in this IL-6 lot number. And you have 25 cartridges here. Just print it from you. Just keep this here. Just to show you both the sides. You can see it says Ichroma IL-6. Lot number and the expiry period is there. On the back side you have this application body. This is how it looks. Just to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of Ichroma IL-6 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack you get one IFU brochure and 25 detector tubes and 25 numbers of 35 ml capillary tubes and one detector diluent and 25 cartridges and one ID chip. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.